let's set up our Laravel environment with Herd. So first of all, let's find the Chrome, download the Herd from Laravel Herd website. Let's install it. Let's search for Herd, and then it might pop up. This default, and it is installing with a PHP 8.4. We can use the Pro version, but let's skip for now. And if you wanna launch the system on a startup, tick on this one. Otherwise, let's not tick. And then let's get it started. And this is the interface that you will be getting after. So here your PHP version is 8.4, and then you can go back to the version 7.4, or maybe you can install more. So now let's go back and then search for terminal. Our project is inside this, so we can go inside it and then create the project. So users Krishna and then Herd. Now let's create a folder, project folder over here. And inside it, let's create one PHP file. Let's save it, and then let's in the server. So what we can do is go back to the browser. Yep. So whatever the name you give over here, that becomes the project folder for Herd. You can also check the Herd project in sites here, and after that we can create a project, Laravel project from here, project, going to sites, and then create a Laravel project, or you can link the existing project. We are going to do both in our next video, so I'll be creating a new Laravel project or link existing project, and then we'll start from there. Before closing this video, what I can do also, you can also check the PHP version over here. And let's go back and then refresh it. You'll get the whole PHP information over here. That's it in this video, and on the next video we are going to create the new Laravel project as well as connecting the existing project. Thank you. See you again.